Let's talk about today and the trades we got into. The first one I got into was pre-market and lost. I'm going to show you a picture of the entry here in a second, but basically my thought process was we have our weekly candle here, right? They already had swept Asia's high right here and respected the trend line. Like right here, we come up and we actually respect it and come down. We break through the super smooth, comes up, retest the super smooth, right? I get into the short and I put my stop above the weekly zone like this. And I'm like, okay, we're good. We're probably going to crash down to the previous day low, right? Or even maybe Asia's low. I was prepared to close the trade right here or let it run down to previous day low. And that is not what happened. This is what ended up happening right here. Right at 745 out of nowhere, boom, just volume just came in and or whatever, just came in and pushed price up, right? So here is that trade. All right, now we're going to look at the second trade that I got into. I actually swapped my zone over to the New York because I was going to be, once I saw what was happening after I got over losing the trade and was really angry with myself that I did not see this double top and knew that they, if I would have recognized this as a double top and not a rejection of trend, they're gonna grab that liquidity, right? But I mean, that's really a 50-50 chance. Like, I mean, come on, we broke down, we rejected everything, and then it just out of nowhere just shoots up. So they came and got the liquidity. So we get into New York, right? And I'm waiting for 9:30 and a new New York zone. This is the New York zone that starts at 9:30 and it starts a new one every 9:30, so it gives you support and resistance for the session. It does that for Asia and London as well. So here it is. This is the end cap down here. I'm like, okay, this is this is going to turn around and come tap this, right? And we get into this trade right here as it dumps, right? We're dumping down into the zone. I enter here and I target this. I end up closing somewhere around here. I'm going to turn on the US pre-market zone. So this is pre-market support and resistance, right? And I'm watching that and we're diving. I'm trailing this whole thing as we go down, right? So I'm trailing. I'm like, man, it's going to bounce any second and come smack us. It never did. It just kept crashing and it went straight into our zone where the TP was at 922. But I ended up closing right around here. It was a good close. And then it started dumping some more. So what did I do? Well, I got into another short right here and it started crashing and then I ended up closing it. And then that was it for the day because it bounced off this pre-market zone. This is the end cap. This is the previous pre-market. And I figured it would start to consolidate for the rest of the day. And that's pretty much what it did. So I didn't get any more trades. And that is the recap of today. Here is that second trade on the screen for you.